results from the Geel General Hospital in follow-up of the presentation by my colleague Dr Mergeay. We adapted the external flow and pressure restrictor, and we developed a disposable device which can be placed on the outside of the ventilatory tubing. This is a disposable device which can be printed 3D and is rapidly deployable in large versions. We put the ventilator tubing inside the clamp, cannot drop off. The slider is closed, and then there's a small knob over here which can be screwed tight or less tight to adapt the pressure reaching one of the patients. In this way, the ventilator split can be adapted to two patients of different compliance of the thoracic wall and the pulmonary complex. In line, we have put the T-piece with the Luer on the side, 22 millimeters inside, to be able to monitor the pressure of the inspiratory limb. It can be put on your scope using a conventional pressure transducer, which is flushed. And in this way, you can compress the tube and adapt.